Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Nurajannat Meem. Today we will try to know the difference between two words like and as. So basically like means similar to, and it is used as a preposition before noun and pronoun, and whenever we want to compare any appearances then we can also use like. For example, we can say she ran like a horse and she is like a cute doll. And when it comes to as, that means in role of something or someone. And whenever we talk about people's job or activities, then we also use as. And as is basically used as a preposition before noun. For example, we can say, as your teacher, I'm going to teach you, or she acts as a student, etc. And we must know the difference between as and like, because if I say, as your brother, I will help you, that means I am your brother and I'm going to help you. But if I say, like your brother, I'll help you, that means I'm not your brother, but I'd like to play the role of your brother and I will help you. So I hope you guys get it, and thanks for watching.